Today we talk about how can you enable dark mode on your WordPress app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on your name down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on app settings. So you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on appearance, you just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on dark. So then automatically it's going to change with you here to dark mode like you see here on your WordPress app. So that's all you have to do to change your dark mode. That's all. I wish you know you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.